Even with Pakistan, India really worked to build up a relationship with the United States. We have an incredibly important and deep strategic partnership which both countries value. But the rhetoric that we've been seeing coming out of Washington in the last couple of months, and the linking of India and Pakistan in statements when we always wanted these to be delinked. You look at Pakistan as a separate entity, look at us as a separate entity, don't combine the two together. But then every other statement of Donald Trump seems to be having both India and Pakistan in it. So how are we to feel different or special or valued as deep strategic partners?
As I said, I think that the President has struck some false notes, if I may say so. Now, no one's perfect, not even Donald Trump. So don't tell him I said that.
I'll try not to. But we'll switch off the feed to the White House right now.
But as I said, I think always go back to the basics. And America's fundamental interests lie in a strong friendship with India, much more than they do in a strong friendship with Pakistan. India's fundamental interests lie in a strong partnership with its fellow democracies, much less than with the dictatorships, much less than with the country that's nibbling away at its northern borders. So I think the fundamentals will reassert themselves. I just think it's most unfortunate that something impulsive and a bit inexplicable has suddenly happened. I mean, I honestly don't know why America, after 2 decades of tilting towards India, would suddenly and apparently quite capriciously have reversed that.
The big problem that so many countries across the world face, and certainly over here, is the threat of terrorism. We are very clear about that. Terrorism emerges from Pakistan. The evidence of this is huge, and yet when a large country like the United States has some of their top generals saying that, Pakistan works with us extremely closely on terrorism and we value that greatly, again, there appears to be a double standard. Let's not forget about the basis, the heart of where terrorism has come from, whether it's 9/11 or 26/11.
Yep, and look, Pakistan cooperated so closely with the United States on terrorism that they gave Osama bin Laden a home for the best part of a decade. So, look, we can't be under any illusions. There are good people in Pakistan, and there are people in Pakistan who you'd want to work with collegially, but it is still at heart a military society with a strong Islamist streak. India is totally different, and I'm not saying that America should not work where it can with Pakistan. Of course it should, but it needs to know where its better friends are. I mean, when I was Prime Minister, I thought that I would do my best to work constructively with everyone, but you've always got to know where your friends are, and your friends are the ones where there's common interests, common values, and in particular a common history. And that's you've always got to realise that.